Hi, welcome back, friend. You are learning kinetic typography and text animations in After Effects. So here in this practical exercise, I'll be creating some more text animations with After Effects. Previously, we have created a pre-compositions or pre-comp from various layers that we have created in the first exercise, and now we'll be adding some more text layers to this effect. So we have created a new solid here with the light blue background color, and we want to set an opener for this background. So we want to have a drop-in effect. So we want to drop this background from top to the center. So just use the position, set a keyframe. Initially it must be outside the screen, preferably on the top of the screen, and say after half a second later set another keyframe and drop it on the screen, covering entire screen. Here, this is a simple animation. You can apply easing to have any smooth animation like this. So here, after you have done this, you can animate various other transformation properties, or you can just create a new text here. I'm creating a new text here, writing some more text message. Initially, it was set to the previous format that was there. I want to have a fill this time with some blue color background, and I don't want a stroke to be there, so let's turn stroke to transparent. And here just readjust your text. So I'm writing long time ago, so let's have this in typographic effect. So I want this keyboard, this word to appear as it is being written using typewriter or a keyboard. So this thing can't be achieved by setting simple position, opacity, and rotation keyframes. We want to animate each and every individual character in this string. So how we can do this? There are various presets that are built in, and they are packaged with your After Effects software. You don't need to download any preset or any external plugin for achieving this kind of animation. You can go to the preset option here, and here just write typewriter, or you can go to navigate to text and fade in on the animation here. And here when you drop it to the text layer, it will appear like it is being typewritten. So it will be typewritten on the top of this layer. So it is taking a time. So it will start exactly at that point where you have placed your timer. Here just drop it and again set it initially at this point of time where you want it to appear. Use the combination of brackets, and here I want this text to appear, so it looks like it is being typewritten. Sometimes you want to create text animations, you can use a combination of properties, the transformation tools that you get, but don't forget to leverage and take advantage of various built-in presets, because even in blockbuster movies they also do this thing. So it is better to grab an attention for your audience, deliver your message that you want to deliver, rather than trying to animate each and everything here. So we have animated this thing, and you can play it over and again. Next thing, I want this text to disappear with the rotation, and you can also animate with the opacity the way we have done in the previous text animations, but rather just make it a little bit different. I want to turn or flip this text around the screen in 3 dimension. So how you can do this? You have got a small cube option under here and make it 3D. So here when you click it and make it 3 dimensional, you got three rotation options X, Y, and Z. So you can animate it. Use the pan behind tool to put the anchor point in the left option. So we want to it to animate along the left anchor point. Set the keyframe for the Y rotation. Initially keep it default value 0 degree. After say half a second later, provide any value. Positive 90 degree will put it in front of the screen. I want it to go behind the screen. So rather just provide negative 90 degree, and here it works. So we have animated this text, added with the properties and preset.